How to add a Google Map in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a Google Maps widget into your Hostinger Website Builder. The process is going to be very simple and easy. You're going to head over to hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and then you're going basically here to head over the website of yours. So you're going to select the websites list, and from here, we're going to click on Edit Website. Click on here, and then wait for the website editor to show up. Once the website editor showed up, you're going basically here to select one of the sections that you want to add that specific map to. Basically, it is going to be something that you're going to see mainly in the footer. So you can go ahead and add a section. So we are going to see if the footers have some of the maps. So, and of course, we have some footers that contain some maps into them. But if you do not want to add a footer exactly in here, you want only to add the specific map, you're going to click on Add Section, create a blank section, and from here, we're going to add an element. You're going to add element, click on here. Then we are going to see text, buttons, galleries, and etc. And we have something called map. We're going to drag and drop it in here. And as you can see, we have the map. We can edit the map, set up the address, and also we can add an animation to the map for appearing. So I'm going to have the map in here. For example, I can duplicate it or have another location in here. For example, if you have multiple location, it is okay to duplicate the map, and then you're going to put all of the locations of your store or of your office in the specific map. How we can change the location, click on edit map, and then you're going to type in the, for example, the address. I'm going to type in here New York, for example, New York, York, and you're going to see the New York setup. You can go ahead and type in the right address and make it literally like that. Now let's move on to the next one, and we're going to click on edit map. For example, we are going to put here maybe NY, and then we are going to put something like here, maybe the street name of Wall Street. For example, Wall Street. I don't know if the Wall Street is going to be on New York or not, or it has the Wall SC. So this is the right address, Wall ST for Wall Street, and you're going to have it just like that. Basically, that was pretty much it for the today's video of having here a map. You can extend the map or duplicate the maps in here on the different specific locations in here. And do not forget to set it right for the mobile version. So you are going to have them just like that. Do not forget to set up, for example, here location 1 and here location 2. You can add them by clicking on add elements, add text in here. And that text is going to be extended like that. Duplicate it and put it in here for the second location. So for example, like that, you're going to drag and drop it here, basically like this. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.